Relational versus NoSQL. Which database wins? Master database design in minutes. Let's face it, databases are the backbone of every modern application. But when it comes to choosing the right one, most developers hit a roadblock. Should you go relational or NoSQL? In today's video, I'll break it down for you. The what, the why, and the when of each type, so you can make the right decision for your next big project. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this. Let's start with the basics. Relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL organize data into structured tables with rows and columns. They use SQL for querying and are great for handling complex relationships between data. But then there's NoSQL, like MongoDB or Cassandra. These databases ditch the rigid tables and embrace flexibility, storing data in formats like key value pairs, documents, or graphs, perfect for modern dynamic applications. So, why pick one over the other? It's all about your use case. Relational databases shine when your data is highly structured, like in banking or e-commerce. NoSQL databases are a game changer for fast-changing data, like social media feeds or IoT applications. Think of relational databases as a Swiss Army knife, precise and reliable. NoSQL, that's your multi-tool for speed and scale. Relational databases have been around for decades, powering systems where consistency is key. But with the rise of big data and distributed systems, NoSQL emerged to handle the demands of scale and flexibility. Now, let me give you a pro tip. If you need strong consistency and relationships, stick with relational. If you need speed and scalability, NoSQL is your best bet. And remember, in the real world, it's rarely one or the other. Many companies use a hybrid approach, leveraging both types of databases for different parts of their system. Choosing the right database isn't just a decision, it's a strategy for success. To summarize, relational databases are structured, consistent, and ideal for complex relationships. NoSQL databases are flexible, scalable, and perfect for dynamic, high-velocity data. The right choice depends on your use case, growth needs, and system requirements. Want to see how to design a database schema for real-world applications? Stay tuned for upcoming videos in this 90-day system design journey. Are you ready to master the building blocks of system design? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me tomorrow for a deep dive into caching fundamentals, boosting system performance. Because in system design, the database you choose can make or break your application's future. Let's build smarter systems together. Subscribe to Hustler Coder, 90 days to system design, mastery, new video every day at 9 a.m.